very intelligent. It's all up here. Not only am I an intellectual and I'm smart and an inventor, I'm a magician too. I can make men disappear. I found out this the other day. All you gotta do, this is what I do to make men disappear. I tell them I don't have a job. That's right, I'm unemployed. They just vanish. I turn around and they're just, hey, where'd you go? So I haven't been out on a date in 7 years. Now I know why they call it the 7-year itch, because I'm itching to go out on a date. It's like, where are the people? Where are the men? You know, it's really hard to find a good black man these days. You know, they're either in jail, they're gay, or they're married. Sometimes to their mom. And to a white woman.